Dear students, in your unit test first, 5 chapter will come and we have completed till chapter 3. So today we are going to start our chapter 4, which is playing with numbers, and the first exercise 4A we are going to study today. 5 questions are there in this exercise. 3 I will solve and 2 you have to solve by yourself. So the first question is, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 12. The number is 6 times the unit digit. Find the number. This exercise is based on problem solving questions. You have already solved some types of problem solving questions in your previous classes. So first of all, understand it clearly that what the question is trying to ask. The sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 12. Okay, 2 digits are there and their sum is equal to 12. The number is 6 times the unit digit. Okay, the whole number is 6 times than the unit digit only. So find the number. So how you will solve this type of question? First of all, let's assume 2 digits are there. So if 2 digits are there, 1 digit will be the unit digit or at the place of ones, and this one is the place of tens. Okay, so let's assume the number at tens place is equal to x and the number at place unit or ones is equal to y. Clear? Now so the number will be, what will be the number? Unit place is y, so write y only, then plus, this is at the place of tens. Tens means we multiply it by 10x. So this will be the number. Okay, let's assume the number. We are not knowing what is the value of x and y now. So that's why we are assuming that at the tens place this is x and the unit place is y. So this can be written as 10x plus y. 10xy, because this is the tens place, that's why we are multiplying it by 10. Now what is given? In your question it is given sum of the digits of a number is 12. Okay, so suppose any number x and y and their sum is equal to 12, and let's consider it equation 1. Now also given that the number, this number is 6 times the unit digit. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is y. Okay, so we can write it that this number is equal to 6y. Why 6y? Why? Because we have considered y as a unit place and it is given this is a 6 times. 6 times means 6y. Times means multiply. So it is given that the number is 6 times the unit digit. So we can write it like this, 6y. Now this is 10x plus y is equal to 6y. You can transfer this y to the right hand side. So this will become minus, and 6y minus y will give you 5y. Okay, 10x is equal to 5y. 10x is equal to 5y. From here you can write 10x upon 5. This is with the multiply. When you will transfer it to the left hand side, this will convert into divide, is equal to 5. You can cancel this and this will give you 2x is equal to y. This will give you 2x is equal to y. Now you can substitute the value of y from here in the equation number 1. Your equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 12 and here y is equal to 2x. So you can put the value of y in the equation number 1. So let's put the value. Okay, when you will put, what was your equation number 1? Your equation number 1 was x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, so when you will put in the place of y 2x, you can write it like this. We are putting the value of y is equal to 2x. So in the place of y we are putting 2x. So this will give you 3x is equal to 12. From here x will is equal to 12 upon 3 and this will give you 4, means x is equal to 4. This is your the value of x. Now if you will know the value of x, our equation was this, so put the value of x here 4. plus y is equal to 12. This will give you this. We can also transfer it. You can find out by any, you can put the value of y either in this, or you are having y is equal to 2x. Okay, so put the in the y is equal to 2x. You are having y is equal to 2x from here. If you are knowing the value of x, just put it y is equal to 2x, and what is the value of x? The value of x is 4, so y will equal to 8. Clear? Now, what was the original number we have assumed? We have assumed 10x plus y as the original number. So put the value of x and y in that. 10x plus y. 10, what is the value of x? The value of x is 4, plus what is the value of y? We have solved 8. Now when you will solve, this will give you 40. 40 plus 8, 48. This is your answer. You need to find out the value. So this is your answer. Let's repeat this question. First of all, let's assume two numbers. Number at the tens place is equal to x and number at the unit place is equal to y. Okay. So the number will be 10x plus y. Why 10x plus y? Because this is the tens place and this is the unit place. So this can be written as 10x plus y. Now what is the next given in your question? It is given the number, their sum is equal to 12. So their sum is equal to 12. Let's consider it as equation 1. Next, what is given? It is given that the number is 6 times the unit digit. This number is 6 times than the unit digit. And what is the unit digit? Unit digit is y. So this can be written as equal to 6y. Here I have written. Now from here you can transfer the y to the right hand side, and this will subtract, give you 10x is equal to 5y. This is the multiplication. When you will transfer it to the left hand side, this will convert into divide. Upon 5 is equal to y. This can be cancelled and give you 2x is equal to y. Now you are having the equation 1, x plus y is equal to 12. From here you can put the value of y. So when you will put the value of y, you will get x plus 2x is equal to 12. This can be add and give you 3x is equal to 12. And from here when you will transfer this 3 to the left hand side, this will go down, and when you will cancel, this will give you the value of x means 4. Okay. Now you are having this 2x is equal to y. Here put the value of x for getting the value of y. 2x is equal to y is there, or y is equal to 2x, both are same. Clear? Here put the value of x. The value of x is 4 is equal to y, means y is equal to 8. Clear? Now put the value of x and y in the original number. What was the original number? The original number was 10x plus y. Okay. So in the place of x write 4, and in the place of y you write 8. This will give you 40. 40 plus 8 give you 48. This is your answer. Next, question number 3. Question number 2 will be your homework. Now read the question very carefully. The sum of a number of 2 digit and of the number formed by reversing the digit is 110, and the difference of the digit is 6. Find the number. What is given in the question? 2 digits are there. Okay. When you will reverse that digit, so the original digits and the reversing digits, their sum is equal to given 110, and their difference is given, the difference of the digits only given is 6. So you need to find out the answer. So first of all, 2 digits are there, so one digit should be in the place of unit digit and second digit should be in the place of tens digit. So suppose one's digit is a, you can suppose anything, a, b, x, y, z, anything you can consider. One's place digit a and tens place digit is b. Okay, so how you will write the number? Hence the number can be written as a. Why? Because a is in the unit place, then plus tens digit. This is the tens digit, so multiply by 10b. This will be your number. Okay, 10b plus a, like the previous question, 10b plus a will be your number. So what will be the reverse number? Reverse number means in the place of b you write a, and in the place of a you write b. Means you just reverse the unit digit and the tens digit. Reverse means the changing their positions. Okay. So the reverse number will be 10a plus b. In the place of a you write b, and in the place of b you write a. Okay. Now what is given? Next is given difference of the digit is a. Only the difference. So a minus b is given 6. Difference means minus. From here you can also write a is equal to, you can transfer it here, 6 plus b. Both are equal. If a minus b is equal to 6 is given, you can also write it a is equal to 6 plus b. Just transfer it b to the right hand side. Clear? Now next, what is in your question? It is given that the original number and the reversing digit, their sum is given 110. Means their sum is given 110. This is the original number and this is the number we get when we reverse the digit. Okay, so their sum is given 110. So write it here. There it is written. This is the original number and this is the reverse number. Their sum is given 110. Okay, means 10b plus a plus 10a plus b is equal to 110. Now this b and b we can add. This will give you 11b plus this a and 10a we can add and give 11a is equal to 110 will be equal. Okay, from there we can take a common 11 and will give you a plus b is equal to 110. Okay, this is with the multiplication. When you will transfer this 11 to the right hand side, this will convert into divide 110 upon 11, and when you will cancel it, this will give you 10. Clear? Here I have written a plus b is equal to 10. Clear? We have transferred this 11 to the right hand side. This will become a divide 110 upon 11, and when you will cancel, this will give you 10. It means a plus b is equal to 6. Okay, again from here we have solved the value of a is equal to 6 plus b. So substitute the value of a here. Here a plus b is equal to 10. Substitute the value a is equal to 6 plus b. From here we know that we can write in the place of a 6 plus b. Okay, so write here 6 plus b. Here in the place of a write 6 plus b, and this b will be as it is equal to 10. Remember this, I have put the value of a 6 plus b here, and this b is as it is. Okay, now we can add both the b. This will give you 2b is equal to, when you will transfer this 6 here, this will give you 10 minus 6. So 2b is equal to, this will give you 4, and b is equal to 4 upon 2. When you will cancel, you will get the value of b as 2. Clear? B is equal to 2. Now a is equal to 6 plus b. A equal to 6 plus b. From here we have calculated a is equal to 6 plus b. Why? Because their difference is equal to 6. Okay, so put the value of b here. A is equal to 6 plus b. For finding out the value of a, just put the value of b. A is equal to 6 plus 2. When you will add, you will get a is equal to 8. Now put the value of a and b in the original number. What was the original number? The original number was 10b plus a. In the first line we have considered 10b plus a is the original number. Okay, don't put here because this will give you the reverse number. This will give you 28, and when you will reverse it, you will get the original number. This is the original number, that's why we are putting the value of a and b in the original number. Okay, so when you will put the value of a and b, this will give you 10 into 2 plus 8. 10 into 2 will give you 20, then plus 8, this will give you 28. If you want to find out the reverse number, when you will reverse it, you will get 82. The original number will be 28. This is your answer. But suppose in your question reverse number will also asked, so the reverse number will be 82. Next question, question number 5. Question number 4 will be your homework, and this is the last question. A number consists of 3 digits. Okay, a number consists 3 digits. The right hand being 0. What do you mean by right hand? If 3 digits are there, this is the right hand digits or ones. This is the middle digit or tens digit, and this is the left digit which is called 100. Clear? If 3 digits are there, how we read the digit? This is the ones, tens and 100. Okay, we can also say that the ones digit is in the right hand side, the tens digit is in the middle, and the 100 digit is in the left hand side. Okay, the right hand being 0, right hand means the unit digit or the ones is being 0. If the left hand and the middle digits are interchanged, left hand middle means tens and 100 digits are interchanged, the number is diminished. Diminished means they are decreasing by 180. If the left hand digit is halved and the middle and right hand digits are interchanged, the number is diminished by 454. Find the number. When you will read the question, you will get little bit nervous about this question, but when you will solve line by line, you will get your answer. So first of all, read one line and write that line in a number. First 3 digits are there, so consider 3 digits. Since the number contains 3 digits, it has 100 place, a 10 place and a 1s place. Okay, this is clear. It is given that rightmost digit is 0. Rightmost digit means ones digit is 0. Let the digit in the 100 place is x and tens place is y. We are not considering unit because unit is 0. It is already given. Thus the number will be 100x plus 10y plus 0. 100. Why? Because this is in the 100th place and we are considering 100 place as x, plus tens place y, so write 10y and plus 0. Why we are considering 0? Because the right hand means unit digit is given 0. Clear? Now the next line, if we add 0 in any number, we will get the same number. So this can also be written as 100x plus 10y only. Clear? Now the next, now in the next line, what is given? It is given if the left hand and the middle digits are interchanged. Okay, so just interchange them. It is given that if the digits in the 100 place and 10 place are interchanged, the difference between the original number and the new number after interchanging is 180. It is given in your question, but I have written here again. So this is your original number. Okay, and when you will interchange means in the place of 100 you write the tens digit and in the place of tens digit you write the 100th. This is the number. When you will interchange, write in the place of x write y and in the place of y you write x. This is the reverse digit. Okay, and their difference is given 180, so this can be written as, now when you will open the bracket, the sign will change. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. This will be as it is. When you will open the bracket, minus, this minus will multiply by 100y and give you minus 100y, and this minus and plus will multiply and this will give you minus 10x is equal to 180. When the bracket will open, the plus will become minus and the minus will become plus. Now find out the same numbers. This is the 100x, here is the 10x. We can't subtract and add x and y. Okay, for subtracting and adding we want the same number, like 10x, 10 or 100x means x, y, y. We have to take the same for adding and subtracting. So here 100x and here is a minus 10x. When you will subtract it, you will get 90x. 100 is greater than 10, that's why we are taking a plus sign. Okay, so here 90x. Now next 10y, here 10y and here is minus 100y. When you will subtract, you will get minus 90y. Why minus 90y? Because 100 is with the sign of negative and 100 is greater than 10, that's why we are considering minus sign. Now is 180 will be same. From here we can take 90 as a common, so write here 90. When you will take a common from here, this will leave x only, then minus, then y is equal to 180. Clear? From here you can transfer this 90 to the right hand side. X minus y is equal to 180 upon 90. This will give you x minus. Let's consider it equation 1. Now next, what is given in your question? Till here your solution is complete. Next is given, if the left hand digit is halved and the middle and right hand digits are interchanged, the number is diminished by 454. Okay, now I have written here again, if the digit in the 100 place is halved and the digit in tens place and ones place are interchanged, the number is diminished by 454. Okay, this was your original number. According to your question, the 100 place is halved. Half means this was your 100 place, and when you will half means divide by 2. Okay, this is your 100 place. Now it is given that the middle and the right hand digits are interchanged. Middle means the tens one and the right hand side means the unit one. When they will interchanged, in the tens place it will become 0. Why? Because 0 was on the unit, and when you will change the position it will come in the tens place, and y will become the unit digit is equal to 454. Their difference is given 454. Now this can be written as 100x plus 10y. This will be as it is. Then 100x upon 2, this can be cancelled and give you 50x only. So write here 50x, and when you will open the bracket, the plus will become minus and the plus will become again minus. This 0 we can't, if we will not write this 0, this will be always okay. Then plus y, in the place of plus y we write minus y. Why? Because here it is a minus sign, is equal to 454 will be as it is. Now again, when you will solve, this is the same number. 100x minus 50x will give you 50x, plus 10y minus y will give you 9y is equal to 454. Let's consider it equation number 2. Now equation 1 and 2 are similar. If we multiply in the equation 150, and when you will subtract by the equation number 2, x will be cancelled. In the equation number 1, if we multiply by 50 and we subtract it by equation number 2, the x will be cancelled and we can easily find out the value of y. Okay, so in the equation number 1, multiply with the 5. So this will give you 50x minus 50y, and here in the right hand side it was 2, and when you will multiply this 2 by 50, this will give you 100. So let's consider it equation number 3. Now subtract this equation number 2 and equation number 3. Equation 2 minus equation 3. So first write the left hand side of this equation. Here there are minus sign, and then the left hand side of the equation number 3 is equal to 454 minus 100. Okay. Now when you will open the bracket, the sign will change. 50x plus 9y, this will be as it is. Then this will become minus 50y, and this minus 50y will become plus 50y, and when you will subtract you will get 354. Clear? Now 50x minus 50y, both can be cancelled. 9y plus 50y, when you will add, give you 59y is equal to 354. Now from here y is equal to 354 upon 59. When you will cancel, you will get y is equal to 6. Now if you are having the value of y, put the value of y in any of the equation, you will get the value of x. So equation number 1 is easy. So I am putting the value of y in equation number 1. What was the equation number 1? X minus y is equal to 2. So in the place of x, write x only. In the place of y, write 6 is equal to 2. When you will transfer this 6 to the right hand side, this will become plus x. 6 plus 2 give you 8. So what was the number? The number was 3 digits number. So y means we have considered the y as the tens digit and x as the 100 digit, and the unit digit is 0. So how you will write the number? The unit digit will be 0. In the tens digits we have considered y. What is the value of y? The value of y is 6. So write here 6. And in the place of 100 digits we have considered x. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 8. So write here 8. This is your answer. Let's repeat the question one more time. This question is, first of all, you consider 3 digits, and first the right hand means the unit digit is 0, and the left and middle digits, when tens and hundred digits are interchanged, the number is diminished by 180. Okay, first solve here. So consider 100 digits, 100 digit is equal to x, tens place is equal to y, and unit digit is 0. So the number will this 0, when you will exclude the 0, this can also be written as like this. Now write the next line. It is given that the 100 place and tens place are interchanged. Their difference by the original number is 180. This is given. So this is the original number and this is the number when you will interchange them. Their difference is equal to 180. It is given. So when you will solve this, when you will open the bracket, the plus will become minus and the minus will become plus. You will get the equation x minus y is equal to 2. Let's suppose this as equation number 1. Now next in your question it is given. I am just writing in a statement whatever it is given in your question. If the left hand digit is halved, left means the 100 digit is half, and the middle is tens digit, and the right hand digit means the unit digits are interchanged, the number is diminished by 454. Okay, so write it. This is given, I have already read. Now this is the original number, they are diminished, that's why subtraction. 100 place is halved, half means x by 2, and the tens and unit digits are interchanging. So in the place of tens digit you write 0 and in the unit digit you write y is equal to 454. Now when you will solve this you will get the equation 2. Okay, in the equation 1 if you will multiply by the 50 and when you will subtract it by the equation number 2, x will be cancelled and you will easily get the value of y. So in the equation 1 you multiply it by 50, you will get the equation number 3. From the both the side you have to multiply by 50. Now subtract 2 minus equation 3. When you will subtract, you will get y is equal to 6. Now you can put the value of y in any of the equation, but the equation number 1 is very easy. That's why I am putting in 1. This is your equation number 1. In the place of y you write 6 is equal to 2, and when you will transfer it to the left hand side, this will become plus and will give you x is equal to 8. Now how you will write the original number? The original number was made up with the 3 digits, unit digit, tens digit and 100 digit. In the unit digit the place is 0, first you write 0. In the tens place we have considered y. In the first line we have assumed that the tens place is equal to y. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 6, and we have assumed that the 100th digit is x. So what is the value of x? X is 8. So this is your 860 is your original answer. This is the end of your exercise 4A. Only 2 questions are left. So do it by yourself. Practice this type of problem solving questions. Thank you.